In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Arbitrum MetaMask. We'll walk through a simple, secure way to connect your MetaMask wallet to the official Arbitrum portal bridge. This tutorial assumes you already have MetaMask installed in your browser and that you're signed in and ready to go. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Using Google helps you quickly find the official portal without typing long URLs from memory, which reduces the chance of landing on a spoofed page. In the search bar, type Portal Arbitrum IO Bridge. This exact phrase points you to Arbitrum's official bridge interface. When the results appear, look carefully at the link and the domain. You're looking for the result that references the Arbitrum portal and points to portal.arbitrum.io. Avoid sponsored ads that don't match the official domain and always double-check the URL in your address bar before proceeding. Click the result that says Bridge to Arbitrum 1. That will take you to the Arbitrum portal bridge where you can connect your wallet. The page may show Ethereum and Arbitrum networks side by side. That's normal. Before interacting, confirm the site shows the correct branding and secure connection. On the portal, find the Connect Wallet button and click it. This starts a secure handshake between the website and your wallet so the site can see your public address and suggest network actions. You're not giving the site permission to move funds by connecting, you're simply allowing it to view your wallet's public information and request confirmations from you when needed. When the wallet options appear, select MetaMask. If MetaMask is installed and unlocked, a small window or browser extension pop-up will appear. If you have multiple accounts inside MetaMask, choose the account you want to use for Arbitrum activity. Keeping a dedicated account for experimentation can be a good practice for organization and safety. Next, click Connect in the MetaMask pop-up to authorize the connection. Review what the site is requesting. Typically, this includes access to view your wallet address and prompt transaction requests. If MetaMask suggests switching networks later, that's common with Layer 2s. You can review and accept or decline based on your intent. Once connected, the Arbitrum portal should show your wallet address and a connected status. That's it. You've successfully connected MetaMask to the Arbitrum portal bridge. From here, you're set up to explore Arbitrum features when you're ready. Always verify URLs, read prompts carefully, and only approve actions you understand. Thanks for watching, and great job getting connected safely.